Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1970 Chevelle. This is a widow's car. Her husband had passed away about 8 years ago while he was into the project. Unfortunately, I'm just going to go by some receipts and information that I see in front of me to do the best I can to describe it. Looks like it's finished in Fathom blue with a white stripe. It's all cleared over. Very nice wet sand on the car. Could use a little bit more of a buff to bring it really to life, but it was a body off restoration. 396 power steering, power brakes, correct oval tips coming out the back, turbo 400 transmission. You get the gray rallies. Again, the car's been sitting for about 8 years. It's all there, just needs some love, some finishing on the interior. Mechanically, it looks like it's pretty done. It's got about 150 miles or so on the restoration. These bumpers look like they were new, but you know, as of reproduction parts, if they're not completely stored correctly, they start to get a little bit hazy, along with their rings around the headlights. Again, the paint in the body is beautiful. I think the car started out life as maybe a 6-cylinder. Got one mirror on that side. There's no way to really tell on the 70s. And it also has a 10-bolt rear. Some LS5s came with 10 bolts, but I don't think this was an LS5. Bench seat. I kind of threw these door panels on. They're brand new, so they're just hanging up by the hinge. Rosewood steering wheel. Brand new carpet. This car was Z-barred at the time. You can tell by this little button here. Dynamat all the way around, under the carpet, in the quarters, everywhere. Brand new gauges showing 145 miles. So basically, he just shook the car down. Working clock. Still needs a radio. Brand new headliner. That needs finishing. He also has the sail panels, those are included. Motor sounds great. Assuming that it was freshly rebuilt. Sounds a little lumpy. Mild cam. Seats are brand new, they just need to be cleaned up. Same thing with the back seat. Needs some cleaning. I mean, it's been sitting for 8 years and I kind of came over and just wiped it down. Motor sounds nice and healthy. Correct oval tips again. Brand new door panel on this side. All dyno matted underneath as well. Same thing in this quarter, everything's all dyno matted. See the dyno matting over here? All dyno matted everywhere. Really makes for a solid ride. Crazy squeaks everywhere. Door fitting in and everything is very, very nice. Same thing with the hood. Consistent lines. $396 under the hood. Edelbacher Former high-rise intake. Power steering, power brakes. Nice monster radiator. All new exhaust. Got a double pumper on there. Looks like it's probably a 650. Electronic ignition. Brand new battery we just put in. Just need some cleaning up. Comes with a ton of receipts. It's got some spares in the trunk that I gathered up. So these are your sail panels, brand new. Looks like the trim. Miscellaneous trim, some seals, miscellaneous nuts and bolts. And as you can see, it was all body off restored. You know, it's beautiful under here. You can see kind of a number there in the quarter, so it's maybe an original quarter. Very nice done on this side, but beautifully done. I just don't see a number on this quarter, so this could be a replacement. Shows very well though. Starts up, runs cool. Tack's not hooked up. You're gonna have to go through it a little bit. Needs a little love. It's been sitting for a long time. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out our website for more details. It's webeautos.com. Keep in mind that we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. Don't forget to subscribe below. And hit me up, 631-339-0399.